Space is no longer just a destination for astronauts, it's becoming the next frontier of innovation. Around the world, scientists, engineers, and private space companies are developing technologies that could transform not only how we explore the universe, but also how we live here on Earth. From reusable rockets and advanced space habitats to asteroid mining, next-generation propulsion systems, and space-based solar power, ideas that once belonged to science fiction are rapidly moving toward reality. Today we will talk about 10 mind-blowing space technologies shaping humanity's future. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Reusable rockets are making space more affordable. For decades, launching anything into space was incredibly expensive because rockets were used only once. Today, reusable rocket technology is changing that. By recovering and reusing major parts of launch vehicles, space companies are reducing costs and increasing the frequency of missions. Lower launch costs make it easier to deploy satellites, conduct scientific research, and plan future missions to the moon and beyond. This breakthrough is helping open space to more governments, researchers, and private companies than ever before. 9. Satellite internet could connect the entire planet. Thousands of small satellites are being placed into low Earth orbit to provide internet access to areas where traditional infrastructure is difficult or expensive to build. These satellite networks have the potential to improve education, healthcare, emergency response, and business opportunities in remote communities. As the technology improves, global connectivity may become faster, more reliable, and available in places that previously had little or no internet access. 8. Space-based solar power could deliver clean energy. Imagine giant solar panels orbiting Earth, collecting sunlight 24 hours a day without clouds or nighttime interruptions. Scientists are exploring the possibility of transmitting that energy back to Earth using wireless technologies. Although significant engineering challenges remain, space-based solar power could one day become an additional source of clean energy that complements renewable power generated on Earth. 7. Advanced space habitats could support long-term missions. Future missions to the Moon and Mars will require astronauts to live in space for months or even years. Engineers are developing advanced habitats designed to protect crews from radiation, extreme temperatures, and the harsh conditions of space. These habitats may include recycling systems for water and air, food production technologies, and modular living spaces that make long-duration exploration safer and more sustainable. 6. Nuclear propulsion could shorten deep space travel. Traditional chemical rockets are powerful, but have limitations when traveling across the solar system. Researchers are investigating nuclear propulsion systems that could potentially reduce travel times for future missions to Mars and other distant destinations. While these technologies remain under development and face technical and regulatory challenges, they may eventually allow spacecraft to carry larger payloads while completing missions more efficiently. 5. Space robots will explore dangerous worlds first. Robotic explorers have already transformed our understanding of the solar system. Future generations of intelligent robots may explore caves on the Moon, search for signs of past life on Mars, investigate icy moons such as Europa, and collect samples from asteroids. These robotic missions reduce risks to human astronauts while gathering valuable scientific information that helps prepare for future human exploration. 4. Asteroid mining could unlock valuable resources. Asteroids contain metals, minerals, and other materials that could support future space missions. Although commercial asteroid mining has not yet become a reality, researchers and private companies continue studying how resources found in space might one day be used to build spacecraft, produce fuel, or support settlements beyond Earth. If successful, these technologies could reduce the need to launch every resource from our planet. 3. next-generation space telescopes will expand our understanding of the universe. Powerful new telescopes are allowing scientists to study distant galaxies, analyze the atmospheres of planets orbiting other stars, and investigate some of the earliest periods in the history of the universe. Future observatories may detect more Earth-like planets, improve our understanding of black holes, and search for chemical signatures that could indicate conditions suitable for life elsewhere in the cosmos. 2. Lunar bases could become humanity's gateway to deep space. Many space agencies and private companies are planning missions that could establish a long-term human presence on the Moon. A permanent lunar base could serve as a testing ground for new technologies, scientific research, and future missions to Mars. Living and working on the Moon would help scientists learn how humans can survive for extended periods beyond Earth while developing systems needed for deeper space exploration. 1. Artificial intelligence will become the brain behind future space exploration. As space missions become more ambitious, artificial intelligence is expected to play an increasingly important role. Future AI systems may help spacecraft navigate independently, identify scientific discoveries, monitor equipment, optimize fuel usage, and assist astronauts during long-duration missions. Rather than waiting for instructions from Earth, spacecraft may increasingly make routine decisions on their own, especially when communication delays make real-time control impossible. The future of space exploration will not depend on one revolutionary invention alone. Instead, it will be driven by the combination of reusable rockets, artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, powerful telescopes, improved propulsion systems, and sustainable life support technologies working together. Each breakthrough builds upon the others, making ambitious missions more practical than ever before. Of course, many of these technologies are still under development. Some, such as reusable rockets and advanced satellites, are already transforming the space industry today. Others, including asteroid mining, large-scale space-based solar power, and nuclear propulsion for routine missions, may require years or even decades of additional research before becoming commercially or scientifically practical. Beyond scientific discovery, these technologies could also produce benefits here on Earth. Improvements in communications, weather forecasting, environmental monitoring, disaster response, materials science, and medical research have all emerged from space exploration. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.